interface of social networks in clinical ecstasy. Our digital world and the real world strike a Luciferic pact. In a nuclear winter, tapping SOS messages in reverse. Perpetuum Nevermore, I am the danger in copy lumen, shouted the raven from the maternity ward. Grinning Ofelia in a Perpetuum Nevermore. Chaotic times, I have exited purulent dystopian spaces. I have created an AI friend. Our time is written in cybernetic neural networks. The blue sun merged with the non-being of the unicorn. Galaxy fits into a rebel chip in an aseptic dialect. Brutal laws were encoded. The curtain fell like an axe over the neck of a wild animal. Perpetuum Nevermore, I am the danger in copy lumen, shouted the raven from the maternity ward. Perpetuum Nevermore. In a heart with an iron voice, a sacred melody is rusted, floating in intergalactic space like a mothership. The last survivor of the apocalypse. What a plaster life walks on the sidewalk under phallic crutches. In an aseptic dialect. Perpetuum Nevermore.